What about price? How do you work through the price of a product and whether or not you're getting value, or it's too expensive, or conversely, it's cheap and maybe this is not for me because it might not do the job?
Yeah, and this is a I can spin spanners and not spreadsheets conversation, right? Return on investment is something that you absolutely need to quantify when you're investing in solutions like this. Some of them are quite expensive, but they bring a lot of return. You need to, again, ask yourself that question. What is it giving my business and how does it help my customer? And the ROI will just make sense.
So we've explored digital solutions and the advantages, and you've given some great advice, as I've said a couple of times, but there are two words I need to now articulate to you that are so important: cybersecurity.